Hi, Simply Sarah, Made Easy. I'm going to show you something super neat today. I'm going to show you how on Procreate on my iPad Pro. I'll link in the video description. I'll link this iPad that I'm using. Procreate you can get right in the App Store. It's incredibly cheap. It's a great drawing app. And I'm also going to link similar pens to the two that I'm going to use. One is a marker, one is a pen. I don't remember where I got. I think one of them was maybe even preloaded in here, but the other one I don't remember where I got it. So I mean, I'll try to find it for you and link that. But if I can't, I'll link similar brushes. This is so easy. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to this brush right here. Well, so I have the brushes in my recents because I've used both of these recently. But basically, this is what you want: any solid like painting kind of brush. Okay. Then go right here. This is your color selector. Pick any one of these colors. We're gonna go with kind of like a neon sherbet type of palette here. So this is your back button if you ever have to go back. So I have my pen selected, color selected, and then with this one pressure sensitive. Ooh, I hate that color. We are not gonna use that color. That's awful. Let's go for yellow. Much better. So why is that coming out that awful mustard brown? Eee. Let's go here. Maybe that's better. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, that's much better. So just up and down. That's all you're doing. Make a solid color there. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, you can go like that. That's how you change your size of your brush. And you're going to partially cover these anyways with your next layer, so it's okay if they're a little bit wider than you want it to be. So then that's next. So then this. This part does take a little bit of time, but obviously you see it's just incredibly simple. So up and down, get that all filled in. Just gonna go all the way across here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to fast forward you at this point. I'm gonna fast forward you until we have this whole thing filled, so you don't have to watch me fill it. But that's all I'm doing. I'm just going around, color picking, and then I'm just putting my colors in, right? And you can see that it's pressure sensitive, so if I'm not pressing hard, at least this one is. If I'm not pressing hard enough, I'll just keep filling it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll fast forward now. Okay, so now I have you back with me. You can see I have this all done here. So something I want to talk to you guys about, and I will link a video in this video description. I'll link a video on how to do this. Probably in the next week I'll add it. So by the time you're watching this, it's probably already there in the video description, okay? But what I'm going to show you how to do is to color pick a palette. So you can see, I don't have any palettes selected here, but these are your palettes, and you can actually import. So if I click palettes, but you can import palettes as well, and I'll show you how to do that so that you can make these whatever color palette you want. This is just random, okay? So then the next thing you're gonna wanna do, go up to the wrench right here. Oops, I'm sorry. No, that's wrong. Go to the adjustments, next one over from the wrench, and you're gonna click Gaussian blur, okay? Now, any place on here, just you see what's happening there? So you're just pulling that over about that much. It's not, doesn't really matter that much. Then click on, I'm sorry, the second one over again, and click, if you have to scroll down a little bit, click liquefy, okay? And now you're gonna go like this, and you're just gonna swirl the whole thing. See how easy that is? Kinda, don't do it too much because it'll get junky, but if you wanna try to fill it, because you don't want big like color blocks either, okay? So like about that, that's good. So now the next thing you're gonna do is go to your layers panel, which is right here. Click on that, click this plus sign right here. Take this and pull this underneath here, okay? Now click back on this layer, kind of click it and long hold it, maybe just kind of click down, and click clipping mask right here, okay? So you're gonna click clipping mask, and now you're gonna go, stay on this layer, go back to your pen, and now I'm gonna choose this one, this Bix Mayonnaise. Again, oh look, I'll see if I can find where I got this one. I don't remember, and it's a great brush. So, but any like glow brushes, I'll link in the video description, shine and glow brushes. It's all the same. They're not all the same. This is a good one, but you know what I mean. This is the size of your brush. So this size right there is going to be, click on your layers and then click down one layer. This is the layer you want to be on when you're writing. Okay. See that? See how pretty that is? And that's all you have to do. That's how you do it. And like I said, so you can put whatever color palette behind this you want. And then what's going to shine, I mean, that's with, you know, with this type of glow brush, but you can choose any type of brush you want. If you wanted to get that background panel, or excuse me, pattern, and have it be, you know, blubber brushes, and you would just click that, and then that's what's going to come through. So, but it's really, really pretty with these shine or glow brushes, all of these. It gives a really neat kind of effect. So that's it. That's all you have to do. If the video is interesting, like the video, that helps me out a lot. But also subscribe. You're going to want to be subscribed. I have a ton of Procreate videos coming up. If you're a Cricut or Silhouette user, we have huge groups on Facebook. We have like maybe 3 million members in the groups. We'd love to have you. So if you are a Cricut or Silhouette user or want to be, join us. I'll link Cricut for Beginners. It's about maybe 750,000 members. And I will link Cricut and Silhouette for Beginners, like about maybe 200,000 members. Both of them super friendly, super helpful. You'll fit right in. So definitely join us there. But like I said, subscribe to my channel. You'll get the notification when the new videos come out once or twice a week. Just lots of neat ways to do really neat things with your, you know, your iPad or your iPhone or Android, your Windows PC, your Mac. Just, you know, Cricut, Silhouette, all of it. Sublimation. If you're into Sublimation, we have Sublimation. We have a very, very large Sublimation group with tons of members. Super friendly. Again, you fit right in. I'll link that in the video description also. So that's it. I thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.